Hello everyone, welcome to Unbox the Box. In today's video, we'll be unboxing and reviewing Anker Powercore 5000. We'll talk about things like power capacity, output charging, input recharging, size and weight, functional components, and of course the build of the product. If you guys like to learn some of this information, please stay until the end of the video and hopefully our video will be helpful to you in some sort of way. Now let's go ahead and start the unboxing. There we go. They make these boxes very tough. There we go. Instruction manual is here. Let's put that to the side. Now, what do we have in the box? The standard USB 2.0 charging cable, the portable charger itself, wow, it's smaller than I actually expected it to be. And you get the special pouch in which you can carry your portable charger, which is pretty cool. Now guys, let's talk about power capacity of the Anker Powercore 5000. The Powercore builds upon what a power bank should have pertaining to its power. The mini power bank brings 5000 milliamp hours capacity to the table. With the 5000 milliamp hours capacity, you no longer just get one charge for your smartphone. Rather than Powercore 5000 is capable of charging most smartphones 2 times or over. Tablets aren't competitive or really used with a power bank of this capacity, although it should charge an iPad at least one full charge or 75% of the battery. The power bank can charge a tablet quite quickly as well. When it comes to input recharging, the power bank has a simple one port output and one port input system. The Powercore 5000 is recharged through a micro USB input port that is capable of recharging at 5 volts, 2 amps, charging speed that is faster than most mini power banks, and you can expect a full charge from the power bank in about 3 to 4 hours. However, I did say capable of recharging the power bank at 5 volts 2 amps because it depends on what wall charger you use. If you're using a wall charger that has an output of 5 volts 1 amp, then the power bank will recharge at that speed. This is why I recommend using a wall charger that has an output of 5 volts 2.4 amps to ensure that you are getting the fastest recharge speed to your power bank. We have the same scenario when it comes to output charging. The charging speed of this power bank takes portable mini chargers into fastest rates by being able to have an output charging speed of 5 volts 2 amps. This means that the smartphones that are beyond 1.0 amp current of charging can charge faster than 1 amp and into higher amperage categories, thus overall providing a faster charging experience for all devices that are connected to the power bank. This is why we said that an iPad could charge relatively quick with the Powercore 5000 because its output is 2.0 amps and the max current that an iPad can accept is 2.4 amps. So it'll just default to charging at 2.0 charging speed. When it comes to the size and weight, the Powercore 5000 follows the similar design that other mini power banks follow. The power bank has a cylindrical shape with a length of 4 inches and a width of 1 inch. So you'll find that it can be carried in your hand very easily and is definitely prepared for on-the-go purposes. However, as small as it is, it's still bigger than Anker's Premier Powercore Plus Mini, So unfortunately it isn't the smallest out there on the market, but it is one of the smallest with that power capacity. Although you can easily hold the PowerCore 5000 in your hand and put it nearly into any bag, the power bank is not so comfortable in a pocket. It's much wider than most smaller and lower capacity power banks. Although it can fit into a pocket, it might not be a very comfortable fit. The functional components of the PowerCore 5000, other than the bigger size, the power bank does an all-around a great job with its design. The input and output ports are all located on a single side and clearly labeled. There are three white LED lights, which are indicators that show the capacity of the power bank, and when they are on, the power bank looks even more aesthetic. There's a power button right next to the LED lights that I already demonstrated, and that can be pressed to check the capacity left on the power bank. The power button is rarely used though. When you connect the device to the PowerCore 5000, the power bank automatically begins charging, so there's no need to press the power button. When there isn't a device connected to the PowerCore, it automatically turns off in about 5 seconds. Very convenient, and you don't have to ever worry about not turning off your power core and therefore running out of that extra power that you're looking for your devices. This is kind of a design that should be standard with nearly every power bank, in my opinion, because it makes a portable charger so minimalistic with how you have to use it, and makes the user more carefree and less concerned about using their charging device. The body of the power bank is plastic with a smooth finish. You would think that power bank is quiet, slippery, but by just looking at it, but that's actually not the case. The PowerCore 5000 power bank holds a strong grip that won't easily slip from your hand, and that is a great design choice in my opinion for a power bank that is meant to be held in hands most of the time. So what is it that makes the PowerCore 5000 so great? Although the power bank has a plastic body, it's quite thick, and the power bank is separated in just two pieces, which I'll try to demonstrate to you right now, but I don't even know if it's going to be noticeable. So with that said, the slit where the bank is connected doesn't even have a place for you to put your nail through. And the output USB connectors hold on to the charging cable with the great grip, which means that moving the power bank won't make the cable fall out. And you can see that when I'm shaking, the cable still stays in place and is not coming out. The power button is depressed into the power bank enough that it won't fall out. I even did the press test with a couple hundred presses, and the power button still functioned the same way as it should. The weight of the PowerCore 5000 isn't really a concern as well. It's only weighing in at about 5 ounces. It is heavier than most mini power banks, but it isn't so heavy that it'll cause substantial damage if it's dropped, and it won't tire you out by simply holding it. The PowerCore 5000 also has the standard safety tag features that prevent the power bank from heating up and causing damage to itself and to the device that you might be charging. Throughout the whole time of me using the PowerCore 5000, there was never a moment that PowerCore 5000 overheated, and I find it to be a very well built power bank. When it comes to reliability, many power banks tend to be the most reliable type of power banks because of their objective purpose. They are able to provide an optimal user experience that nearly anyone can rely on. This is because of their small size and the need for high innovation within a small device is what people expect from mini power banks. Therefore, that's what companies are trying to produce. The PowerCore 5000 fits into the mini power bank category, but takes the quality just a little further, in my opinion. The power bank is perfect for taking it nearly anywhere, has a perfect power capacity that can be relied on for a few chargers, for a smartphone or a tablet, and has a charging speed that is nearly as fast as a wall charger. Now guys, if you enjoyed my video and it was helpful to you in any way possible, please like, subscribe, and comment down below on what kind of content you'd like to see in the future. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.